What would happen if the world's digital systems suddenly stopped working? Imagine a day without access to your bank accounts, without the ability to book a flight, or even call an ambulance in case of an emergency. This is not a hypothetical scenario. It is what happened recently when a global IT outage wreaked havoc across various industries. On this particular day, the digital world as we know it came to a grinding halt. The culprit? A software issue at CrowdStrike, a leading cybersecurity firm. The ripple effects of this outage were felt far and wide, causing disruptions in industries ranging from airlines and banks to hospitals and government services. The impact was immediate and severe. Over 2,000 flights were cancelled and more than 5,000 delayed across the United States. Airlines such as American, United and Delta were all affected, facing a wave of cancellations and delays that left passengers stranded and frustrated. But the disruption didn't stop at airports. The banking industry also felt the sting of the outage, with customers unable to access their accounts or carry out transactions. In an increasingly digital world, this was more than an inconvenience. It was a stark reminder of our reliance on these systems. And perhaps the most alarming consequence of the outage was its effect on emergency communication services. In several states, these vital systems were compromised, posing a significant risk to public safety. Even the wheels of government didn't escape unscathed. The Department of Justice experienced disruptions, as did health services. In the nation's capital, the DC Metro was impacted, and so too was New York City's mass transit system. As news of the outage spread, President Joe Biden was briefed on the situation. Meanwhile, CrowdStrike's stock price took a nosedive. But in the face of this unprecedented digital blackout, efforts were swiftly mobilized to address the issue. Teams worked around the clock to restore services, and some systems were successfully brought back online. The outage served as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities inherent in our digital infrastructure. So what's the takeaway from this chaos? It's a wake-up call, a clear sign that our world's digital systems are not infallible. It's also a testament to the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and the need for constant vigilance. As we move forward, the ongoing efforts to restore services globally continue. The world watches and waits, hoping for a swift resolution to this digital crisis. In the meantime, the events of this day serve as a stark reminder of the importance of our digital systems and the potential chaos that can ensue when they fail.